you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying this winter glam vignette. Now, I'm also participating in a collaboration with some of my lovely YouTube sisters, and I've left links to all of their channels down in my description box. Tammy, Stacy, Sandra, and Shangie. And again, please look for the playlist as well as all of their channels. And now you're going to see on their channels probably a little bit different type of video, but they're all going to have a winter theme. Many will be doing winter home tours and more of a winter look book. All right, guys, so thank you again for watching. If you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I'd love to have you be a member of the family. Also, please go and visit my other channels, DIY Design by CCW. In fact, that is the channel where most of the items in this video were created. And also I have a new channel, and it is the Glam Decor channel.